Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So hey guys, I got a new unboxing again today, and we're going to do unboxing this, and we'll see. But again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you're notified if I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So I got this IPS 03 earbuds, and again we're gonna do unboxing this beautiful one. Wow, really nice. This is about $40 plus in Amazon. Okay, we're gonna do unboxing now, but again, before that, these earbuds is compatible on your iPad, laptop, iPhone, any Android, Skype, MSN, WeChat, and navigation voice. Nice one. He has a perfect sound quality, but we're gonna try this one now. Well, nice. Wow, what a beautiful, guys. Look at that. It's too small, like 2" by 2". It's just like a square. It's a beautiful one. Nice. Ooh, so crisp, so brand new. I don't know. Do I have to? Okay. So even if I'm not gonna take the plastic out, you just ding. There you go. So here's that one. And here's that one. It's a magnetic. It's magnetic inside. Okay. Right. So then they have an indicator, which is the blue color here. There's 4 bars or 4 colors here lighting up. So, wow, nice one. It's beautiful. Okay, so what's in the box here? Oops. They have a cable here. And cable, it goes to, I think it's a USB-C, and then just put it at the back and then charge it on your USB, either on your laptop or any adapter. Oops. And they have here a manual, so let's see. So, but again, guys, according to this manual, the specification in this, it comes with the a Bluetooth version or a music and talk time. It's about approximately 4 hours. Wow, this is good. And a standby time is 300 hours. Wow, that's wonderful. And then the transmission distance is up to 15 meters, and the charging time for the AirPods is one hour, and the charging for the box, it's 1.5 hours. Wow, that was nice. Oh, this is beautiful. Well, again, I'm going to get my phone, and I'm gonna listen some music here. We'll see how it works. Okay, so I got my phone here, and we'll see. There, it's already connected. And then we're gonna try this one here. It's really good. Wow. Wow, it's so loud, and I can't even hear you. I can't even hear my background, but it's so loud. I don't know if you can hear it here. Yeah, it's so loud. Wow, this is nice one. I like it. I like it. Okay, I thought that they have a control here or something, but it's so loud. Wow. Wow. So again, the sound on this one here is so good. I like it. And I can't hear anything. There's a voice cancellation. So it's so nice to use these AirPods. And so far for me, it's good. And I hope, you can try this one. And you can buy this one in Amazon. And you just go on Amazon and go on the store. The Amazon store is DeWant, and the name of the store is a B Store C. But I'm gonna put the link below on the description. Where can you buy this AirPods? Wow, it's so loud. I can still hear it. It's so beautiful. The bass, the treble, the nice sound. I like it. I like the sound. So again, this is available on Amazon. All you have to do is to go online and just click the link below, and it goes right there. So, but again, I would like to say thank you so much again for watching my videos, and you can share these videos to your friends and relatives that are looking for earbuds. And I think the price for this is right, and you can try and check it out, the website or the Amazon store. There you go, guys. So, but again, thank you so much again. Shout out to the DeWant, and thank you so much again for this product. It's really good, and it's an awesome product, guys. I hope you can try it. So again, thank you so much. This is NoyTebs. Have a wonderful day, and God bless everyone.